this is at a Hillary Clinton speech, and Tim Kaine is going to be speaking as well. This was at the 11th Congressional District Labor Day Festival in Cleveland, Ohio, where Hillary is supposedly going to speak. People have been waiting for quite a while now. The event said it was going to start at 2 p.m. It's already just about 3, so they're running about an hour behind. And people are just kind of waiting in the heat to see if Hillary's going to come out. It looked like on stage there actually is a stool set up for Hillary Clinton so that when she comes out, she's probably going to sit on a stool again. So let's go see if she's going to come out. Number 10. I believe that a good amount of the people in the crowd were bussed in. Some would have just came on their own accord. I know that those signs, the Stronger Together signs, were passed out by the Hillary campaign. And it just looks like Secret Service and the police are just staging for Hillary to come out. I said other people were here as well. I did say that. Yeah, I know. I talked to a lot of people, and there's both. There are people that were buzzed, and there are people here on their own accord, and people that are just attending the parade and watching as well.
And then your hometown got access of the day. Because I think you know Labor Day sort of starts the home stretch of the day. So we feel like battle tested and ready for the home stretch. So we will make this
Yeah, where is Hillary? That's a good question. That's what everybody out here has kind of been wondering. Like I said, it's been running over an hour behind. So. In the lives of everyday America. That's going to be the test. Folks, that tells you something about Hillary Clinton. Trump is in Ohio right now, just to let you guys know. He is in Youngstown. He stopped over there at a fair as well. I didn't know about it until just this morning and had already planned on coming here, but I'm going to try and head over there as well later on today, and maybe I'll catch him before he speaks and everything. But yeah, this is in Cleveland, Ohio, this event right here. Cleveland is definitely going to be a battleground state. This state is going to be very important for this 2016 presidential election. We're going to definitely see Hillary and Trump here a lot because, you know, this is the state that they seem to be fighting over, because I think Ohio can make a huge difference in the election. Now, I spoke with a gentleman earlier today at this festival who said that actually a lot of people in the community had not turned up, and the turnout this year for the festivities at this get-together for Labor Day is actually way less than previous years, and he stated that it might be because of the Hillary speech and people not wanting to come here and support her, or people not wanting to come out and deal with the security, because there has been TSA, you know, checking everybody and checking their bags and everything before they even can come into the park. So, but he did say yes, this is way smaller of a turnout for this Labor Day festival than previous years, and he cited it's probably because of the Hillary speech. Right now, Kaine is speaking. Kaine is on stage speaking. I'm kind of from the back of the speaking area right now because I'm hoping to get Hillary right when she comes out of this tent and walks along to the stage. I mean, you never know. There have been a lot of concerns regarding her health, and this might be a long walk for her. And could very well fall or stumble or who knows what. So we're just watching to see.
since the convention, talking about what we're going to do. We're going to invest in manufacturing and infrastructure, and labor will be key to making those investments and American people today. We're going to invest in education and skills all over.
This is not a very long walk here from the tent over to the stage, but there are steps to get onto the stage as well. It's not a very long walk. However, for somebody who has ill health, it is a long walk. So we're going to see how this goes. Kaine is on the stage right over here, speaking to the crowd. Hillary is in this white tent over here that is surrounded by Secret Service and police. I haven't seen any protest groups where I'm at right now in this vicinity. Look at that, there's a medic's bed over here. I don't know why. It's kind of interesting. I wonder if that's somebody on standby for something. But yeah, I don't know. Some people have showed up here for Hillary to see her speak. I think a lot of people here are just, you know, people that came to the parade and to the festivities, and they're, you know, watching what's going on. But I guess this is what she's got to do to get people to turn up to her speeches.
Shortly after he got deeply involved, he got sued by the Justice Department. You all know this.
Yes, they do have a stool on stage for her. They do, in fact, have a stool waiting on stage for Hillary Clinton to sit on. That was one of the first things I noticed when I saw this stage setup, is that they have a stool there for her to sit on when she makes it onto the stage. I want to get her walked to the stage so that she can sit on her stool. This is about the most physical activity we're probably going to see from Hillary today. Everybody, thank you for being patient with me. This is my first time periscoping, so I appreciate that, you guys. And thanks for, you know, giving your suggestions, comments, and feedback. I appreciate that as well. I really hope my phone battery doesn't die, guys, because we have all literally been waiting out here for hours and hours for Hillary to show. I mean, she is running over an hour late. I guess the event technically started, but because Tim is speaking, but the fact is she, you know, hasn't come out yet, and we have started the event an hour behind, and my phone is quite possibly going to die waiting for her to finally come out of her diva tent. For Hillary Clinton. Let's go see. She has lost her voice, it seems like. She's coughing and... Yeah, she's coughing. It sounds like she's very sick. Whoa.
Give us some water. Take your time, Hillary.
She's coughing. She can't even speak. She's physically sick. When she is coughing, she cannot even speak. This explains the delay. She can't even speak. She's
Thank you. All right.
Hillary's choking.
Well, you just heard the next vice president, didn't you?
She sounds bad. Man.
In addition to thanking Marsha Fudge, we also thank our great Senator Brown.
This explains
Also,
the delay.
Two other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Kaine.
Yeah, she can barely speak. Like she's lost her voice or something.
And your mayor, thanks to Mayor Jackson. And I hope,
Hashtag this with Hillary's help.
that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate. Now, behind me, some of the great labor leaders of our country. Randy Weingarten.
She can barely even speak.
I'm proud to be on the same stage with them because they're always fighting for working families. Now, as I get over my
People are telling her to take a deep breath and take your time because she doesn't sound good. She sounds like she's coughing and can't even speak.
Because we know how important this election is to Ohio.
Hillary Clinton is on stage right now as we speak, and
It's
she
not
is
just,
coughing nonstop.
as Tim said, that
She
Ohio
sounds extremely sick.
is one of those
Sounds like
battleground
she shouldn't even be on
states.
stage, and this explains why the speech has
It's
ran
that
out
Ohio
of the line.
represents
She sounds awful.
everything that's
Health
great
is
about
no longer
America.
good enough.
And all of the challenges and the opportunities.
Running for president, she should definitely just be.
That's why
Hillary Clinton.
it's critical to
Hillary Clinton.
in this state.
Go back to slavery.
And what I want to emphasize is I know we can't face our problems alone.
Real.
We have to work together. We believe we are stronger together. And that is in stark
want Kaine for
contrast
president.
to Donald Trump.
I want Hillary.
Remember what he said in his
You
convention.
want Kaine for
I hear you.
He
That's
said,
your damn opinion.
I alone can fix it. Now think of what that leaves out, my friends. That leaves out all of our troops on the front lines. It leaves out our police officers and firefighters who run toward danger. It leaves out doctors and nurses who care for us. It leaves out teachers and educators
Oh, you said I said that.
who care for the most important people in our lives, our children. It leaves out everybody except him. And when he says, I alone can fix it, that clearly demonstrates he doesn't understand how America works, how we got great and why we are great today, and what we need to do.
Please share this feed right now. This is
To face the
live of
future.
Hillary Clinton giving a
Because
speech.
our
She
campaign
is
is
very
about
sick.
we will fix it
She's coughing
together.
and
We
can't
will
even
work
speak.
together. We will break our country together. And what better example of that are our labor labor unions. They are built on the principle of solidarity.
She's making up stories about Donald Trump.
This is the kind of difference